bong.
Hi boys and girls, look who's here! DJ Suki, Owlet, and Peppa Pig. And they want to help you learn all the colors of the rainbow. Hey, do you hear that? It's Rubble from Paw Patrol on his construction truck. And he's spinning his color wheel. Do you know what color this magic sand is? That's right, it's green. And Rubble is using his construction truck to turn Owlet green. And DJ Suki and Peppa. Everyone is green. Just like Rocky from Paw Patrol. The grass is green and trees are green also. Awesome! Okay, Rubble, let's spin the wheel again. And it landed on blue. Here comes a truck with magic blue sand. Rubble is so good at driving all these big construction trucks. Alright, Owlet, DJ Suki, and Peppa, get ready. Rubble is going to turn you blue. Do you know what PJ Masks' hero is blue? The sky is blue, and the ocean is blue too. Are you ready to spin the wheel again? And it's red! I can't wait to play with this magic red sand. And neither can our three friends. Let's see what happens when Rubble pours the red sand on them. Wow! Owlet is back to her normal color. And so is Peppa in her red dress. Marshall from Paw Patrol is red. Do you know anything else that is red? Let me know in the comments. Okay, Rubble, what is our next color? And it landed on yellow. Here comes the yellow truck with magic yellow sand. This sand looks so soft. It must be so much fun to jump and play on. Wow! I like Owlet's new yellow costume. Everyone turned yellow. The sun is yellow, and so are yummy bananas. Let's give the wheel another spin. And it's pink. Wow, pink is one of my favorite colors. Look how cool this magic pink sand is. DJ Suki looks awesome with her new dark pink troll hair. And Peppa looks so different when she's covered in dark pink sand. Have you ever seen a pig like this before? Neither have I. Let's see what color is next. It's black. I can't wait to play with the magic black sand. Wow! Owlet, you look like a brave superhero in your new black costume. Just like Batman in his black bat costume. The sky is black at nighttime too. And now our three friends are covered in black sand. Okay everyone, it's time to stop playing in the magic sand. But we have one more surprise left. Look! Rubble is here in Marshall's fire truck. And he's giving them a shower with blue water to clean up all the sand. Thanks for helping us learn all the colors, Rubble. 1, 2. 3. 4, 5, 6. 7. 8. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.